Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Have I got an easy project for you, and it's another one of those scrap buster projects. I'm going to show you how to make the easiest scissor case ever, and I'll show you even how to make it for a left-handed person and a right-handed person. So let's get started. The first step is to get some paper and draw a square that is 12 inches square. Now I like using this brown paper. I purchased it from Home Depot in the paint department, and it comes in a variety of widths on big rolls, and they're just a few dollars for the roll, and it'll last you a long time. If you don't have a 12-inch square piece of paper, tape some other paper together and so you can get your square. Then after that, take your ruler, and from this top edge down, you're just going to draw a line straight across. Then from this side over here, come over an inch and put a mark. Then up here at the top, you're going to put a mark 3.5 inches from this edge and go over another 1/2 inch and put them another mark. So you have 2 marks right up here. Then from here, go down 2 3/4 inches, put a mark. And down here at the bottom, go over 3 inches and put a mark. Now let me show you how to put them together. So now you're going to connect the dots. So here's your 3-inch mark up here and your 4-inch mark. So from down here where you had that line drawn across, this was 3 inches over here. Just draw a gentle curve up to that 3.5 inch mark. Then skip over to the 4-inch mark, take a ruler and connect the 4-inch with that 1 inch in over here, and draw a line. Then take your ruler and turn it and draw a line down to the mark that was 2 3/4 inches here. Then connect that mark with that one that was down here over in the bottom that was 3 inches over, and then go back up and connect your last mark. So it should look like this when you are done. Right on this section here, bottom and top, and then write for your notes a 1/4 inch seam. I like to draw my patterns onto thin cardboard, or this is cardstock that you can buy at Walmart and office supply stores. And so draw it on that because it's easier to trace around it. Now take your fabrics that you'll need. You'll have your cotton batting down, and then one fabric here that is front side up, then your other fabric that is front side down. Place your pattern over the top, and I like to use these little weights to hold it in place. Then it doesn't shift around. Then you have an option of either drawing on your fabric around, then removing the pattern and then cutting it out. But make sure before you cut it out, you place pins to hold your fabric together. But what I like to do is I like to just leave my pattern there and then use my rotary cutter to cut it out. Now place pins to hold all of your fabric layers together. And you're going to leave an opening right in here on that edge that's marked bottom. So leave an opening. And I've put 2 pins on this side of the opening, and that's going to remind me that that's where I need to stop stitching. So go over here to this first pin. Remember, you're doing a 1/4 inch seam, and do that back stitch here and begin stitching all the way around the edge, and then come back here and stop, and make sure you back stitch again. Now before you turn it front side out, you need to trim some of the fabric off of the corners so that they won't be so bulky when you turn them front side out. So take this first corner here and just go straight across like that, and then I like to go along the side there a little bit, and then on this side a little bit. So do that at all the corners. On this edge that's curved right here, you want to go ahead and take some small scissors and cut little slits, but make sure you don't cut through your stitch line. So go all along this curve right in here. Now reach in between your fabric for the outside and begin turning it front side out. After turning it front side out, take something that's somewhat pointed and you're going to go in through your opening. Here's my opening. And you would go inside and gently poke all of your corners out all the way around. Then press your scissor case flat all around the edges. Turn your opening edges in 1/4 inch and then press. Then begin stitching close to the edge all the way around. I'm going to show you how to fold this so that it faces the direction you need. So if you're right-handed, you would fold it one way, and if you're left-handed, you would fold it a different way. So if you are right-handed, you want to make sure this curved edge is towards your right side of your body. Then you would fold it this corner to that corner and take this corner and bring it right there. And then you would place pins on each side. But if you are left-handed like me, I'm going to flip it over and I want to fold it this way. Fold it there and here like that, and then pin it. In order to close it, I am using Velcro, and we just got it temporarily pinned right now on the side, because in order to get the Velcro on, you've got to have it unpinned. So take your 3-inch piece of Velcro. You have a front and a back to Velcro in case you've never used it before. Place one side of the Velcro up here along this edge like that, and then stitch around all 4 edges and go around it 2 times. Now I'm going to fold it over and you can see my stitches. So make sure whatever the color is of your fabric that's on the outside that it matches. So make sure you use matching thread. So now I'm going to show you how to put the other side of the Velcro on. You don't want to put it like this because it's not going to line up. So here's how you do it. Fold it over like this. Then just fold it back like this. Place your other half of the Velcro on, and that's where you need to put it. So then once you've got it there, put a pin there to hold it. Undo these pins, unfold this, and stitch around your Velcro. Now fold it back up to where you had it originally and place pins along here again. Then on this side, you're going to stitch right over that top stitching line that you've already got. So stitch over it, then leave your needle down through all layers of your fabric when you get up here to this corner. Lift up your presser foot, turn your scissor case, and then stitch down this way 2 inches. Then go over to this side and do the same thing. Stitch all the way up and make sure you stitch back and forth, except you're not going around the corner. You're just stitching up to the top right here. And when you're all done, you just go ahead and slip your scissors in. This is the left-handed one right here, and close it up, and this is the right-handed one, and then close it up, and there you go. Well, I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If you're interested in other beginners sewing tutorials, check below your YouTube screen for really simple projects to do. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also check out my Facebook page. Thanks for watching and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!